Today we are going to discuss this question from 2022 Polish Math Olympiad. We are asked to find all real quadruples ABCD satisfying the system of equation AB plus CD equals to 6, AC plus BD equals to 3, AD plus BC equals to 2, and A plus B plus C plus D equals to 6.
Pause the video now if you wish to solve it. Keep watching the video once ready.
First of all, let me label this as 1, 2, 3, and 4. When you add up 1 and 2, then we have 6 plus 3, that is 9. 9 will equal to AB plus CD plus AC plus BD. Now there is a common A and A here, so it can be written as A, B plus C. Likewise, there's a common D and D, so it can be written as D, B plus C. So this means that B plus C times A plus D equals to 9. And also, from 4, the sum of A, B, C, D equals to 6. So we can actually say that A plus D is equal to 6 minus B plus C. So this means that B plus C squared minus 6 of B plus C plus 9 equals to 0. So this means that B plus C minus 3 squared equals to 0, which means that B plus C has to be equal to 3. And from 4 again, B plus C equals to 3, A plus D also equals to 3. That is the result when you add up 1 and 2. So we can do the similar thing and we can add up 1 and 3. So when you add up 1 and 3, that is equals to 8. And there is a common A, B plus D, and there's a common C, B plus D. So it is A plus C, B plus D. Again, from 4, the sum equals to 6. So this is A plus C. This is 6 minus A plus C. So A plus C squared minus 6 of A plus C plus 8 equals to 0. So A plus C minus 2, A plus C minus 4. There are two possible values for A plus C equals to 2 or A plus C equals to 4. When A plus 2 equals to 2, B plus D equals to 4. When A plus C equals to 4, B plus D has to be equals to 2. Now we do the similar argument for 2 and 3, write it here. For 2 and 3, we add up together. 5 equals to A plus B and C plus D. Using the similar argument, we'll get A plus B equals to 1, C plus D equals to 5, or A plus B equals to 5, C plus D equals to 1. So far we have B plus C is confirmed equals to 3, and A plus D also certainly equals to 3. But A plus C can be equals to 2 or 4. B plus D can be equal to 4 or 2. And here A plus B can be 1. A plus B can be 5. C plus B can be 5. C plus D can be 1. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. We need to make sure that what will be the value of A, B, C, and D. Let me continue here. Now note that B plus C, this is certainly equal to 3, plus A plus B minus A plus D. Now note that this is actually equals to B and B, 2B, C cancel off, A cancel off. This is actually equals to 2B. 2B equals to this. And for B plus C, it is certainly equals to 3. A plus B is either 1 or 5, and A plus C is either 2 or 4. This is not the correct method of presentation, but we can know that there will be a 4 different value. It's either 3 plus 1 minus 2, 3 plus 1 minus 4, 3 plus 5 minus 2, and 3 plus 5 minus 4. So we will see that it will be 4 minus 2, that is 2, or 4 minus 4, that's 0. It can be 0, can be 2, or 3 plus 5, that's 8. 8 minus 2 is 6, or 8 minus 4, that is 4. So it is either equals to 0, 2, 4, or 6. So it means that B itself is either 0, 1, 2, or 3. Likewise, we do a similar method. We also know that not only B must be 0, 1, 2, 3, A, C, and D also has to be 0, 1, 2, or 3. So with this, we can list out all the possible value. So A, B, C, D is, if A equals to 0, B must be equal to 3. And if A equals to 0, B must be equal to 1. And C must be equal to 2. That is one possible value. And if A equals to 1, D has to be equal to 2. And B has to be equal to 0. And C is equal to 3. A equals to 2, D equals to 1. A equals to 2, D equals to 1, B equals to 3, and C equals to 0. Lastly, A equals to 3, and D equals to 0, B equals to 2, and C equals to 1. These are all possible values for the quadruples A, B, C, D. So that's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.